Today topic of ATL activity August month, which is solar water heating system. Which equipments are used? Solar panel, water tank, connecting wires, Arduino,
oven works,
solar sensor, and pipes. Okay. What is the use of this system?
we can eat the eating
Water. What is the uses of this project?
we can eat the water solar system using solar system solar
Okay.
energy.
We can heat the water with the use of solar energy. Solar water heating system. Use ఏంటి? We can heat the water with the solar with the using of solar energy. It saves the current.